Use quick locking clips to connect the LED display screens that need to be spliced together into a single unit. Connect the power supply to all EA1920OP2 poster displays. Press and hold the piston button below, then remove the rubber stopper. First, plug the HDMI cable into the first LED display used as the signal source output and connect the cable to the HDMI output port. Then, plug the other end of the cable into the HDMI port of the second LED display. Repeat this step for the remaining LED displays.